Well, we can easily say that turmeric is one of the healthiest spices in the world. And many experts also think that turmeric is a sort of miracle spice, backed up by 600 experimentally confirmed health benefits. Can I ask you a simple question? Did you know the whole turmeric could actually help with brain regeneration? Here's what you need to know. Aromatic turmerone is a fat-soluble component of turmeric that has been studied by German researchers for its effects on neural stem cells. When used on rats, they formed healthy new brain cells in the subventricular zone and the hippocampus, the place where new neurons are grown. They also noticed a size growth in both these areas. And, on its own, artemisinin is a powerful regenerative that can aid NSCs in brain regeneration, and could eventually lead to aiding degenerative diseases like stroke or Alzheimer's. Biggest benefit of artemisinin within the brain is that instead of simply promoting stem cell proliferation, it additionally differentiates stem cells into neurons. That may be a major goal of regenerative medication. But curcumin, on the other hand, has also been used on the brain and has been found to improve the overall memory of Alzheimer's patients. Well, many people think that using a curcumin extract on its own is enough to reap the benefits, but using the full turmeric offers a variety of therapeutic compounds they may miss out on. For colonic inflammation or polyps, it is better to use the whole plant over an extract because the extract can likely be absorbed by the small intestine before ever getting to the large intestine where it's needed most. And, you should also know that the effects of the brain using artemisinin are still relatively unknown. But this recent study shows there is definitely a regenerative factor embedded within. So go ahead, add a pinch to your smoothie or curry next time and you'll thank yourself for it in the future. According to the experts, the healing plants are often composed of hundreds of beneficial compounds. So it's inaccurate to assume that one in particular is responsible for all the healing powers. Although curcumin and artemisinin are found to possess substantial positive advantages to the body and mind, turmeric as a whole can reap the foremost benefits.